guys, welcome back. I'm gonna be talking about products from MD Complete. Now you guys know that MD Complete is one of my signature brands for facial skincare. You guys, you know it. If you've been watching me for some time, you know what I'm talking about. I'm super hyped about this video. You guys, MD Complete, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, brightening, even skin tone. Those are some of my skin concerns that I've been working on before using MD Complete, and they have helped me with getting rid of my hyperpigmentation and my evening out my skin tone and so on. Let's just jump right into the products. They recently sent me some products, and of course I'm always appreciative when I get these products from a brand that I truly love, a brand that has truly shown me that their products are great and where I've truly gotten the results from their products. So I got a little goodie box here. Now you guys, I did get a few of their amazing products. So first, I did get the Wrinkle and Radiance Remedy Plus, and you guys, this helps with my dark spots, my hyperpigmentation, and so on. I also got the dark spot corrector. This is these two together are their dark spot duo. They work so great. And this is a bright and smooth exfoliant treatment. I've never used this one, so I'm glad I got this little sample size here so I can go ahead and check this out. Also, they have a line that is one of their more prestige line as it relates to skincare, and this line is more dermatologist related, so it's more of their high-end skincare products then. So these are all in orange on this side. This helps to pump, boost, and firm the high. This is a hydrogel. This is a core facial treatment, all that and more. This is a hyaluronic acid serum. Lift me higher. Love me a good serum. And I also got a Complete Eye Care Eye Wonder. Need to get rid of those fine lines. Working on them. They've been going. And this is a vitamin infused exfoliator. Beautiful reset. You guys, I am so excited to start using the new line. I've never used anything from their new line, and they're all about skin rejuvenation, just renewing your skin, clearing up your skin, just overall just getting rid of all of the skin concerns that you might have. You guys, these products were great. You see my skin, it has been a great journey. I have had a great experience while using them, clearing up my skin, and I have not regret using any of their products as yet. So I absolutely love these products, you guys. If you have any skin concerns or similar skin concerns, like, you know, to what I have discussed, you can go ahead and check them out. The new line, of course, I am most excited to try these because the new line focuses on lifting, boosting your skin firmness, plumping, vitamin C. You know, they have hyaluronic acid. This is their dermatologics line. So they have eye plums, helping to get rid of the fine lines under your eyes. Like, you guys, you can see my skin. Like, my skin, like, put their products on, and my skin is looking glowing, moisturizing, and flawless. Their products are great, and I absolutely love them. I can't wait to share my experience after using them. You guys know that I've always shared my product experience after I use the products, and then I come on here and tell you guys how the products work for me. So of course I will definitely be trying them out and letting you know how they work. I have a coupon code for anyone who is interested in purchasing the products. Your girl always hook you up, yes, for sure. So I will leave the coupon code in my description and also a link in the description. You can get 15 or 10% off the purchases if you go head over to their website mdcomplete.com and purchase products. You guys, the cleanser, amazing. I am never out of the cleanser. restoring cleanser. This works great. This helps to get rid of makeup, dirt, just help to renew your skin. This hydrates. This is amazing, and I use this both morning and nighttime. This is one of their cleansers that I use. They also have another one, but this one is my fave, must have. I am never out of this cleanser. Once I'm out, I have to replenish. This is one of their products that I must have, along with the vitamin C concentrate, the serum, vitamin C serum concentrate. Oh my god, it is amazing. That vitamin C just keeps your skin looking fresh and glowy. You guys, I'm telling you, they work great. And you guys, thank you so much for watching. This is just a little unboxing because I'm just letting you know that I got some new products and I'm going to be trying them out, and I'm gonna of course observe those results and come back and let you know how these products work for me. That is the ones from the new line. For the Wrinkle Radiance Remedy Plus and the Dark Spot Corrector, I have had videos before where I've been using those. I will link them in the description box in case anyone want to check them out, so you could go ahead and check them out. So I'll link those below so you guys could go ahead and check them out. And you guys, I've spoken about my results while using them in those videos, so you guys can check them out. And that is the blue line. So if you're trying to get rid of hyperpigmentation, even skin tone brightening, plumping, and so on, the blue line, the Dark Spot Duo works great. So I'll link those videos in the description or somewhere up here so you guys could go ahead and check them out. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.